Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to print on a plastic film to make such beautiful transparent dragonfly wings, like from my previous tutorial. We will also go over the most common mistakes and I will show you exactly how to avoid them, step by step, to make such beautiful iridescent wings dragonfly. Of course, you can order prints from professional print centers, but that can get expensive depending on materials type and size. So today I will show you the easiest and budget-friendly way how to make such dragonfly wings using regular home printer. For the wings I use transparent film that's made especially for inkjet printers, labeled inkjet printers. I will leave the link below in video description so you can find the same. Let's begin with one sheet of film. And a little tip from my experience. Transparent film has a front printable side and a back side. Most brands label the package, so all the sheets are packed face up. But if you got flipped or mixed up, here is a quick way how you can find the front and a back side. Slightly wet your fingertip, just a little, and gently touch the film. If your finger doesn't stick, it's the back side. But if it sticks even for a second, that's the printable side. Once you found the printable side, place the film face up on a regular size paper. Line it up and just one more time double check that the sticky side is facing up. Regular home printers usually can't take the film because they might try to chew up the sheet because it's too slippery, but I will show you a little life hack how to deal with it. All we need is a glue stick. Hold the paper together with the film at the bottom, like I am showing in the video, and apply some glue along the edges of the paper and add a couple of lines through the center. Now press the film down well so it holds in place perfectly, and repeat the same on the other side. Lift the top half, apply glue and press it down. This way the transparent sheet stays perfectly flat over the paper and it's ready to print. Just remember, always print on the sticky side. The biggest mistake is printing on the wrong side. The ink will smudge and come out blurred, and the result will be impossible to work with. Make sure the film is completely attached to the paper, nice and flat, and insert the sheet into the printer like regular paper. Open your wing file, link in the description. Here I prepared for you 10 different designs and materials guide just in case. You can choose your favorite dragonfly. I'll be printing the blue one. Then click download, so you will have a ready to print PNG file. Here is our dragonfly wing. Next, click file, print and repeat main printing settings. Second line, under presets, choose default settings. Then go to paper size and select US letter, borderless. This ensures you print at 100% scale. Scroll down to Media and Quality. Media type plain paper, quality best. And that's it. Hit the print button. Here is what a freshly printed wing looks like. The ink dries pretty fast and it looks beautiful. And here is an example of the most common mistake: printing on the wrong side. The image looks blurry and the ink doesn't dry at all, and every touch leaves smudges, even fingers get stained. But when you print correctly on the sticky side, the ink dries in just few seconds and your wing is ready to become a part of something beautiful. Next, carefully peel the film away from the printer paper. There will be also some glue leftovers on the film, and that's totally normal. To clean it up, you can use a light alcohol solution or even a nail remover and a soft sponge. Gently wipe only the printed wing area. No need to clean the whole sheet. and finish by wiping it with a dry sponge. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Here I share all my experience and step-by-step tutorials on how to make giant flowers, butterflies and handmade decorations. The full tutorial on how to make this beautiful giant dragonfly is already on my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.